berries, red berries. I don't know. I think they are not. You can't eat them, but who knows? Under down there rosemary with flowers, blue flowers. And beautiful sky. Don't forget, subscribe. I think I put every day, or almost every day, a dose of flowers for you. Aloe flowers, you can see, and a lot of green, a bit yellow, and three big tree. If you want to ask me what this language, I explain you. I live in Jerusalem. This is Israel, and this is a language. This is some slogan. It's all. It's green, it's beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching. I have on this channel a lot of video with flowers, because I like flowers very, and it doing for me good I, I, I miss a word in English, excuse me. It could feel good. It do make me feel good. Bye bye. We are on the middle of the road, very noisy road, and there are flowers here. Yeah, road, noisy road. Look what I have found on the middle of the road. Aloe, up you can see aloe with flowers. and we come back to our rose. Wow, beautiful, simple, beautiful. Wow, wow. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and continue watch flowers with me.